Hey everyone, my friends, Wheeler here. Today I'll show you how to speed up a slow Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. There's a setting that controls only the quality of the interface and animations. So for this, we type into the search and here we go, settings, right here. Windows performance settings, okay. Click, here we go, performance settings. And here we have this option to optimize everything for the best performance, right? And I click the apply button. Windows will look a bit basic, but this will really speed things up. You can also access this menu through settings and system, about system. Then click on advanced system settings and here you'll find performance. Click settings and here it is, this same menu. That's all we need. This was Wheeler with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.